Hi, my name is Veronica Sherba and I'm a product training coordinator here at Wellness Living. Today I'll be showing you how to enable the Microsoft Sign-In and Calendar Sync for the Achieve Client app. Before we enable the function on the business backend, let's see how the sign-in options appear on the Achieve Client app. Currently, when you attempt to log in, only a standard login with email and password will appear, or continue with Facebook. If you are on an Apple device, you will have a login through Apple appear just below the Continue with Facebook button. So now, from the business backend, we're going to go and enable the Microsoft Sign-In feature. First, let's start by navigating to the app drawer and go to Setup. Next, select Business, and then head over to Business Policies on the left-hand side. And lastly, select Sign-In Options. You'll see a few options appear here, including some default options that are already enabled, such as Facebook and Apple Sign-In. To enable Microsoft Sign-In, simply toggle it on and hit Save on the bottom right corner. You'll see a pop-up message appear that your change was saved successfully. Now, when you navigate back to the login page for the Achieve Client app, you'll see the ability to continue with Microsoft. Once that button is selected, you will be prompted to log in with your Outlook account. To enable the functionality of the Microsoft Calendar, simply head over to the My Profile section of the Achieve app, select Settings, and you will see a button appear for Microsoft Calendar. By selecting this, your Microsoft Calendar, you will be taken through the authorization flow, and if the connection was successful, then upon returning to the settings page, there should be a toast message stating Calendar successfully connected. Please keep in mind that if a business with white label app has turned off Sign-In with Microsoft, then the button should be hidden on their app. And that's it for this training video on enabling the Microsoft Sign-In and Calendar Sync on the Achieve app. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.